So, tayo ay gagawa ng isang Canva account katulad nito. So, paano natin sisimulan? So, let us start. Sign out muna tayo. So, login muna kayo. Punta muna tayo sa canva.com. Okay, sign up. Then, continue with another account dahil kayo naman po ay bago pa. Continue with email. So, ito po, itatype nyo yung email address kung saan magsisend ng code ang Canva. So, continue. So, once you are enter the code we send, you will be all login. So, magsisend siya ng code, buksan nyo yung email address, then the code, ito po ang lalabas. So, for now, 441179, 441179, then click continue, and then, Viola, meron na kayong bagong Canva account. So, home, project, templates, brand, apps, and Dreamlab. So, dito tayo gagawa ng documents, ng whiteboard, presentation, social media, video, makakapag-print, and makakapag-create ng website. So, you can also customize, upload, and many more. So, marami pang pwedeng pagpilian dito. May poster, pwede kang gumawa ng Facebook post, certificates, graphic organizer, resume, and cards, IDs, which is dito ko rin ginawa ang inyong IDs layout. Okay, so far ito muna. Then how to log out, itong side na to, may letter dito ng first letter of your name. Just click this, then click log out para safe ang inyong account. Okay? Okay. So, thank you.